All right, Steve, here's your LS. Give you a description of this combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Beautiful Billet Specialties front end. Got the fast manifold. Fuel management Holley Terminator X. Want her to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 522 foot-pounds torque, peaks torque 597, really flat there. Peaks horsepower 600, so everything's good. What we'll do is pull pipes back, make sure it's going clean for you, show you a couple other things. See if you're in to find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got the engine build specs, dyno video, things of that nature. On the engine will be this tag. It will actually have your engine number, some other specs. You need anything from us, the engine number is the easiest way to look it up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code there. It'll tell you some more tech stuff. Really recommend watching all this. Have a great day.